Hello, in today's video, we're going to do some property tours on a beautiful historic area in Toronto called Yorkville. So please stick around to the end because the best kept secret is at the end. So the first unit we're going to look at today, a nice little unit in Yorkville, which we're exploring right now. This is a 600 square foot unit. It's a 1+ den, just over 600K. So as I mentioned, just over 600 square feet. Let's take a look. So really nice little kitchen here, full separate kitchen with a little breakfast bar, marble top here, or granite top, double stainless steel sink. You got your full-size stove, microwave, full-size fridge, lots of cupboard space here, up and down. And coming in, you've got a nice couple closets here for some storage. And you've got your washer and dryer here. Let's move on to the living room, dining room area. Nice hardwood floors. Nice spacious unit with a south-facing view. Nice bright view. As mentioned, we're in Yorkville here, which is a nice upscale area. Got a nice little bedroom here with a sliding door, nice sized closet. And you've got a little den area here. The den area here can be used as a bedroom or an office. And you got a full-size washroom here with shower tub and sink, a nice marble sink. So just a little pan of the unit here again. Living room, dining room, and kitchen. Nice little unit. I don't normally do vacant units, but this is a kind of a special unit, so I thought I'd do it. Still Yorkville we're in. It's about 1,200 square feet, just a little over 1.2 million. Really nice unit. Beautiful wood grain cupboards here. Nice kitchen space here. Nice Miele electronics here. Nice Miele stove and oven, and built-in dishwasher, fridge and freezer built in, and a nice stainless steel sink with lots of cupboard space up and down. You got a little closet here at the entrance. You got a nice washer and dryer unit here, and you've got a full-size bath here with shower. Would be like a guest shower or a second bath. And you've got a huge den here. This is a 1+ den, but it could be used as a second bedroom because I'd say it's about 14 by 10. And a huge balcony here that goes all the way down the unit. And as you can see, a humongous living room here and dining area. And you've got some nice built-in cupboards here with a little marble countertop and breakfast bar. And you have a huge living room, or a huge bedroom here. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Nice huge walk-in closet. And you've got a nice huge bath here with shower and tub. So quite a nice unit here. I thought I'd show that one to you. This is Yorkville again. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to know more about living in Toronto, please subscribe and tap the bell and you'll be the first to hear about new market trends coming up here in Toronto. My name is Ed Bulmer and I get calls and texts from people like you every day. So if you want to know more about Toronto and living in the area, please call and text me and I'll be sure to answer you right away. So we're looking at a condo here in the Yorkville area. Very high-end area, very nice condo. This is roughly 1,350 square feet, around 1.3 and change, 1.3 mil and change. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Really nice open concept, as you can see. Let's take a look around. So you've got your dining room and kitchen adjoining here. And what's cool is you have the island here, but you can also have the kitchen dining room table if you want. So if you have extra guests, you can use the island and have some chairs around it. And you got lots of cupboard space in here, up and down. Lots of storage. And we have a double stainless steel fridge, a stainless steel microwave, a large stainless steel sink. There's your stove and oven and your range, and a microwave and some extra cupboard space on the marble island there. Really nice hardwood floors here. So coming into the living room here, we have a nice open space that you could seat quite a few people in here with a spacious sectional couch here. And what's cool is it's got a real wood-burning fireplace, which is quite rare for the area. And we're in Yorkville, which is a high-end area. Right on Cumberland Street here. Here's the second bedroom here. This would be the guest suite. Lots of cupboard space. Obviously being used as a den or an office right now. And we're going to go into the other area here. So first of all, we've got a laundry room here. A nice bath. And shower. And you got a nice sized closet here for storage. Nice storage area. And here is the master bedroom. Quite a nice size. Lots of storage. And you've also got a second bath here with a full shower. So that's it. Another nice feature of this unit on Bulmer is they have a rooftop terrace with an indoor sunroom and a nice outdoor area here that can be accessed all year round. As you can see, they've taken the summer patio furniture in, but it's available for use all year round. The very beautiful thing is it has an excellent view of the downtown area of Toronto. And next we're going to look at a two-story loft here in the Yorkville area. We're doing property tours here in Yorkville. This is a 1,200 square foot unit. It's about 1.6 mil, maybe closer to 1,300 square feet. Very interesting unit because it was designed by a custom builder. So it has really, really cool like inlaid floors. It has a nice storage closet here with some shelves built in. Everything is a little bit upscale on this one. You have a little half bath here at the entrance for guests. And you have a little nook here for a den. This is a 2-bedroom unit. Has a little den area as well. The kitchen is all custom done. As you can see, everything is built in. All the cupboards and all the drawers are all push-pull. You just push them, they give them a little tap, and they open. Even the little settee area here has push-pull drawers and a little balcony. It's a nice south-facing view right on Bloor Street here in Yorkville. And you have a huge marble counter here, island with a nice sized double stainless steel sink or huge stainless steel sink. A nice stove and range here. There's your fridge and freezer unit. And coming into the dining room area, of a nice little cozy dining room area with a balcony off to the side. And then let's go into the living room area here. A nice little cozy area here in the living room as well. And let's hop on upstairs. So upstairs off of the master bedroom, you have a nice closet here with your laundry, full-size closet. Another closet, linen closet in the hallway here. And another one beside that, full size. And you have another full bath here with shower. Another closet. And this is your first bedroom here. This would be like the guest bedroom, has another closet. And has a built-in Murphy bed, so it could be used as an office, and it's set up as an office. with another little balcony off of the bedroom. Let's go into the master now. Here's the master bedroom. Quite spacious, king-size bed, a little area for an office or a den or a powder area. And it has another walkout balcony on this one. Let's go back. It has a walk through to the washroom with lots of storage and cupboard space, as you can see. And a real spacious bathroom with jacuzzi and shower. So lots of nice features in this unit. Thank you for watching my video today on property tours in Yorkville. Please be sure to subscribe so you can be the first to hear about new videos coming up.